Rethink, redesign, rebuild. We live in this 21st century, and the state of affairs of the 21st century man and 21st century society is well described by somebody that these are the times of fancier houses but broken homes. These are the times of double incomes and more divorces. These are the times of high-rise buildings and low-rise characters. These are the times of broader highways but narrower viewpoints. These are the times where man has gone all the way to the moon and has come back. But he finds it difficult to cross the road and meet the new neighbor. These are the times where man has broken the atom and he has produced tremendous amount of energy. But he finds it difficult to break a prejudice. The list is very long describing the state of affairs of the 21st century man and society, but in short you can say that these are the times where we have much to show in the show window and nothing in the stockroom. I myself am an engineer. I finished my engineering way back in 1991. And thereafter I took my Diksha. I'm a saint since 26 years, so I know both the parts of the world and both the parts of life. From my experience of personally meeting and sitting at least for half an hour with more than 25,000 families across caste, creed, color, religion, nationality backgrounds, let me share with you something. First important aspect that everybody needs to accept and really accept from within is that no man is perfect and that no man includes me and I also. Put your eye to a little lower level and you will be in a position to accept the best of thoughts from all directions, to rethink your goals,